Today I'm looking at a label tagging gun. So if you're in a business of tagging products or labels, or if you need to reattach something, this is a fantastic product. I've been using this for really many, many years. I've had this maybe 7, 8 years and had zero issues with it. So what this is designed to do is you get little tags, the little tags on like your clothing. There's little tags here, and you can get different sizes. They all pretty much fit and load the same way. And you can see the little tags here, how they work. So basically what you want to do, and this is a protector, is like a little needle. And what it does, and I'll show you a close up here, this little needle will thread the tag through and actually tag it to your clothing or an item or whatever you want to do. That's a fabric or paper, whatever, something like that. That's what this is. And this is what they use to tag clothing. When you see those prices or information on hanging on the garments, they use something like this. And this is a hand version. Like I said, I've had this for a super long time, and I've had zero issues with it. Let me just show you how it works. What you do, and I'll give you an example. Piece of paper here. Make believe this is a garment. Usually you do it on the neckline or someplace in a stitching area that you cannot see, because it does make a tiny hole. So that's I recommend. That's just how that works. And you push it through just like you see here, how it's pushed through. And what happens when I squeeze the trigger, watch what happens. It pushes that little tab into the area, and then you can see the other half will be here hanging out. So this side goes into the garment, and you can see a little T tag, and this will go into the tag itself that you're hanging. Make believe this is a tag, and you can see how it says like that, and this will connect to the garment. You can see just like that. Again, works easy every single time. Very reasonably priced. These needles are changeable, so if it wears out, you can just move them right out. You can take these out and change them. You can see how it just comes right out. So that's rechangeable, and you can adjust them and fix them and put it right back in. And then it has a little tag. I always just suggest putting this on. You don't want to stick yourself, because it's pretty sharp. Again, handheld, small, and I'll just give you a quick measurement so you can just see the size of it, which is important to know. It's approximately almost 5 inches right here, long, and the length is around 5. So it's about roughly 5 by 5, and that's a small footprint, less than an inch in thickness, and quite light weight. So this is what it is. Love it. Works fantastic, and highly recommend something like this if you need to tag your garments. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. Quick review. If you enjoy this, please don't forget to follow my channel. Hit that follow button, subscribe button, whatever the buttons are. Just hit it, and you'll see more information as I come out and show you different products that I use and also review. I own this myself. I do purchase this myself. This was not given to me. I own this, and this is my product. And this is my honest review. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped.